Today on American Blacksmith, we're going to nail it. I'm going to show you how to make hand-forged nails. Here is a finished, what I call a Roman style nail. And we start out with a piece of 5/8 square and then draw this all down, taper it, and then we'll put the head on last. All right, here we have a step-by-step display board. We start with a piece of 3/4 square, and then we forge down this portion here, and then we'll go step by step. Okay, I would like to start out by showing this little tool that I used in the previous video. We call this an anvil devil, D-E-V-I-L. And it is a marking tool. It's made out of air-cooled steel, and what I do is simply, instead of trying to use a punch, especially on ROM stock, you just set the material on here and mark it. I'll show you how we're going to do that. All right, we're going to start out with a piece of 3/4 square stock, and I'm going to take it and mark the thickness of the head that I want. Mark it on all four sides. Then I'll use this anvil devil to mark it. So I'll simply put it on the triangle, and then it gives me a mark. So when I heat this up, I'll be able to see where I'm supposed to be slicing it. These are the bolt header tools that we use. They have different sizes and shapes. So here's the nail that we just made, and here are these processes. And I'd like to know how this works out for you folks at home. So try it out and let us know. And we're going to show you how to make some variations in some fancier decorative nails. Here we've got variations of nails, round, squares, even copper nails. We'll later show you how to do and attach these other types of nails. All right, here's some other variations of nail heads. Diamond shape, cross, simple round rivets, and you can forge these on the treadle hammer or with hand hammer. You can also make all types of nails out of rivets. So you start with a standard rivet like this. We'll put them in a nail header tool and we'll forge and texture the top, and then simply taper the rivet. Forge it by hand. These are hand carved nail heads. Okay, that was our Nail It video. Thanks for watching, and you can leave your comments below, and we'll see you on the next video. We hope you like our new logo for the American Blacksmith video series.